Capital of Maharashtra state, Mumbai, is located on coast of Maharashtra and is a very densely populated and highly urbanized area. This is the reason why we need to learn about this city to unfold many aspects which has direct or indirect connection with the environment. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn map of Mumbai, which is a part of curriculum of first year BCom students of University of Mumbai in the subject of environmental studies in semester 2. Let's first try to explore Mumbai. If you get a chance to see old photos of Mumbai, it was exactly like today's Konkan area. It was inhabited by majorly fisherman community. Mumbai was not a singular metropolis, but it was a cluster of 7 islands. Portuguese invaded this land, then this land was given to East India Company. Late 17th century, these islands were connected by infilling it with concrete. The very first environmental destruction started from here. Today, you can see that the Mumbai is highly urbanized, highly populated, overcrowded, having problems of traffic, polluted water, waste management problems. So these are many other environmental problems that we see in Mumbai today. This is the reason why we are studying this map in environmental studies. Now for the students of first year BCom of University of Mumbai, this is the type of question that you get in your question paper where you are given a blank map and besides that map there is a box and there is one line and 10 questions are given to you. So these can be the examples of 10 questions. Okay, so Thane Creek, if you want to write the answer of Thane Creek, then you should know where Thane Creek is. So here you can just draw a symbol, any symbol that you like. In this box, you have to copy that exact symbol and write here Thane Creek. Now, if you look at these questions, you will understand that all these questions are related to your semester 2 syllabus. So in your semester 2, if you have solid waste management topic, then in this question you will be asked where are the dumping grounds in Mumbai. You have tourism topic, so in this question you will be asked where is Juhu beach. Okay, you have industrial and agricultural pollution, so here you will be asked places having highest noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution. So these questions are also some way related to your syllabus of semester 2. So how to solve this map and how to remember where Thane Creek is, where Bhandup station is, that we will see in a later part of this video. So firstly, before starting study of any map filling technique, it is very important that you should know your blank map. Anyways, in your exam paper, you will be given a blank map, but do not be dependent on that. The right way to learn map is to try drawing it yourself. This is not a drawing exam, so you can draw it as you want it. So if you see here, this is the map which I have drawn, okay, with the help of this PPT. Now while drawing, I understand that there are different shapes. Like you see a first fold here, you can see 4 folds here. Okay, so all these are the markings that stay in your brain. You can see a U shape here, you can see a small C shape here. Okay, there are zigzag lines here. So firstly you try to draw this map. If you can't draw it exactly, but at least you will remember where are these folds, where is this V shape, where is this C shape. Okay, that you should remember. Now the best thing to learn Mumbai map and the easiest way to learn Mumbai map is to start with Mumbai railway stations. All of you have traveled through trains because it is the major transport option that is available in Mumbai. So before filling up any map, As I told you earlier also, we should know all the directions. Where is north? So here this is north, this is south, this is your west, and this is east. Okay, so we have Western Railway line, right? And you have traveled through Western Railway line. It connects to Central Railway line at Dadar station, that you all know. Now remember all these shapes. Okay, first start with Dahisar and Borivali. So here there is your first fold where you can draw a point and give that point name Borivali. Okay, then you go to the second fold. Out of the four folds, first fold, locate that first fold and write Gorega over there. You can now see a V shape here. Draw Bandra over there. Okay, easy to remember. First fold Borivali. Out of four folds, first fold Goregaon. V shape Bandra. Large U shape Dadar. Small C shape Mahalakshmi. And the last station Churchgate. Okay, I hope you will be able to draw this on your own if I give you a blank map. So suppose this is a blank map. Now you all know this is the first fold. So near that, what you will draw? You will draw Borivali. Okay, draw a point here. Then out of these four folds, I told you near the first fold, you will draw everything on the western side. You will draw Goregaon. Okay, this is the V shape. These are all the tricks and techniques to remember all these stations. Okay, so draw Bandra over here. If you try to solve it on your own, you will definitely get it. I can guarantee you that. Okay, see this U shape, draw Dadar here. See this small C shape, draw Mahalakshmi here. Okay, this is blank map. I cannot see anything, but I'm able to write it. Okay, then the last station is Churchgate station. Okay, this is your Western Railway line, correct? Now let's get back here and try to solve Central Railway line. As you know, Mumbai starts from Mulund, and here this part is of Thane, right? So your first station is Mulund. From Central line you are starting, your first station is Mulund. Now your Churchgate station is here, right? Here this is your Churchgate station. So near Churchgate station, which Central line station is there? CST. You know that. So you have drawn Churchgate here. So draw CST here. So you know your first station and last station now. Okay. This is your first station Mulund. And this is your last station CST. Now these are the two lines. Remember these two lines. This is a V shape on your right hand side, east side. So on the upper side of that V shape you will get Ghatkopar. On the lower side of that V shape you will get Kurla. Exactly below Kurla you will see Sion. You know where is Dadar because Western Line station you have already drawn. See, if you connect these dots, you will get your Central Railway line. There is not much in Harbour Railway line. It is connected to Kurla, right? So your Harbour Railway line will go from here to here. And just remember three alphabets. C, G and M. Then other than that, okay, C, G and M. Chembur, Govandi and Mankhurd. If you just remember these stations, this will be very much enough for you, because if I ask you where is Bhandup station, you know that after Mulund there is Nahur, after Nahur there is Bhandup. So if you just point here, see this is Mulund. So after Mulund there is Bhandup. After Bhandup, Nahur. After Nahur there is Bhandup. Okay, so you can just locate till Ghatkopar. So if you know the names of the station, if you are a daily traveler, it becomes very easy for you to recollect all the other stations also. Even if I ask you any tourist spot, for example Siddhivinayak temple, you know that Siddhivinayak temple is there at Dadar. So what you will do, you will just go to Dadar area. Now you know here Dadar is there. So here you will draw a temple and you will say that Siddhivinayak temple is at Dadar. So this is advantage of living in Mumbai, because you know many of the tourist spots where they are. And if you don't know, the first step you should take is to go and roam around in Mumbai and find out which are the tourist places. After railway stations, major map is of lakes, creeks, beaches, caves, islands. Now, if you can memorize many things together, you can draw a map like this. Otherwise, what you can do, you can take a blank map. First, you draw creeks, lakes, and rivers in first map, and in another map, you can draw caves, islands. Okay, and then try to combine both the maps. Now we will first see this solved map, and we will first by heart names of the rivers, lakes and creeks, because it is very important. You know the location and you don't know the name, then that will create a problem for you. So you should first know names of all the creeks. That is the reason why I have given all these names here. Okay, so these are the names of the creeks, right? Names of the creeks: Thane Creek, Manori Creek, Malad Creek and Mahim Creek. Just by heart it as it is in this sequence only, because these creeks are situated on that map or situated in Mumbai in this sequence. Just for example, see here Manori Creek. Manori Creek comes first. The first gap is filled up with the Manori Creek. Second gap is filled up with Malad Creek. Okay, and even you know that Malad is here nearby. Mahim station is near Dadar station. So you can also remember it like this, that near Dadar, whichever fold is there, whichever blank space is there, is occupied by Mahim Creek. Near Goregaon, whichever blank space is occupied by a creek is you can see Thane Creek here. Now, if you feel that you can't remember everything, just go to the next slide. First, try to remember all the creeks that we have already seen and memorized. So, Manori Creek here, Malad Creek here, Mahim Creek and Thane Creek. If you have a pen and paper, draw it with me and you will get it. Okay, then go back to the solved map. Just see where are the lakes. There are 3 lakes: Tulsi, Vihar and Pavai Lake. Many of you must be knowing Pavai Lake is near Kanjur station. You know where is Kanjur station now? So Central Railway line, it starts with Mulund, right? And after Mulund there is Nahur, Bhandup, Kanjur. Okay, so here if you assume this is Mulund, Nahur, Bhandup and Kanjur, then you can draw a circle representing Powai Lake. On the top of it you can draw two more circles and give it a name, Powai, Vihar and Tulsi. Tulsi, Vihar and Powai. Okay, so you can now remember three lakes. Now let's go to rivers. Dahisar, Poisar, Oshiwara, Mithi. See, don't miss out the sequence. Dahisar, Poisar, Oshiwara and Mithi river. You can see Dahisar river here. Okay, so Dahisar station, near Dahisar station, you can draw Dahisar river. First fold, Poisar river. Second fold, Oshiwara river. And Mithi river is here. Okay, now go to your blank map. You know the location of Mithi river? It is very different from other three rivers. So first draw Mithi river here. Okay, from here you can see Dahisar river. Dahisar station is here. So Dahisar river. First fold, Poisar river. And second fold, Oshiwara river. See, now you can recollect all the rivers as well. Now let's move on to this section. There are 4 beaches. Marve beach is near Manori Creek. Warsaw beach is near Oshiwara river or Malad Creek. Juhu beach is near Mahim Creek. And Dadar Chowpatty is near Dadar station. Okay, so let's go to the blank map and try to solve it. Marve beach, Warsaw, Juhu and Dadar Chowpatty. Okay, now let's go back to see some islands. Now you know Elephanta caves are very famous in Mumbai. So on the east side or right hand side of your map, just draw one big island. So here you can draw Elephant Island, a small island known as Butcher's Island, and 2 ports known as Nava Port and Sheva Port. Okay, these are some of the islands and ports. Now come to the caves. Kaneri caves are near your Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Where is Sanjay Gandhi National Park? It is near Borivali station. Okay, Jogeshwari is near Goregaon station, right? And Mahakali caves are just below Jogeshwari caves. Go to the blank map. Here your Borivali is there, so your Kaneri caves will be here. Here your Goregaon station is there, so your Jogeshwari caves will be here. Mahakali caves will be just below your Jogeshwari caves, and Elephanta caves will be on Elephanta Islands. So all the 4 caves now you know. Take another blank map and try to solve everything now on another blank map. For example, if I try to solve it with the practice, I know where is which river, where is which lake. So starting from the lakes, starting from the creeks, Manori Creek, Malad Creek, Mahim Creek, and Thane Creek. Okay, then the lakes, Powai Lake, Vihar Lake, Tulsi Lake. Rivers, from Dahisar river, Poisar river, Oshiwara river, Mithi River. Done. Then beaches. Marve Beach, Warsaw Beach, Juhu Beach, Dadar Chowpatty, and second last is islands. Elephanta Caves or Elephanta Islands, Butcher's Island, Nava Port, Sheva Port. Caves. Okay, Borivali, Kanheri Caves. Near Goregaon, Jogeshwari Caves. Below Jogeshwari Caves, Mahakali Caves. Will you be able to remember this? I guess you will be able to remember this if you solve it with me. Anything that we have missed? Nothing. So we have covered everything. These were your lakes, rivers, creeks, caves and islands. Now this is a map of tourism spots. If you can see here, there are so many tourist spots and you will feel how will I be able to remember all these things together. No need to remember all these things together. You just divide your map in upper portion and lower portion. Okay, I will show you. In upper portion, you can see here. Now, if you are not able to see the font size, then I will tell you. This is Sanjay Gandhi National Park, where it is situated near Borivali. You know where are Kanheri Caves, you know where are Jogeshwari Caves, you know where are Mahakali Caves. Now, all these things you already know. Where is Mahim Bird Sanctuary? You know where is Kurla Station? Below Kurla Station there is Science Station. So, Central Railway Line Science Station is near Mahim Station of Western Railway Line. You just remember this thing. And you will remember where is Mahim Bird Sanctuary or Mahim Nature Park. Then you all know where is Mount Mary Church. It is near Bandra. You know Bandra station. You know Dadar station. Okay. So this makes this upper map easy for you. So first we will solve this map. Okay. Take a blank map. In this blank map, locate Borivali station. This is your Sanjay Gandhi National Park. You know where are Kanheri Caves now. You know where is Jogeshwari Cave. You know where is Mahakali Cave. Okay, half of the tourism is solved in your caves section in the last map. So, first 4 things you already know. Then, now you know here Dadar station is there. Here Ghatkopar and Kurla. See this V shape, remember? Ghatkopar and here Kurla. So near Kurla there is Mahim Bird Sanctuary or Mahim Nature Park. Here which station is there? Bandra. So Bandra, what is there in Bandra? Famous tourist spot? Mount Mary Church. And in Dadar, what is famous? Siddhivinayak Temple. Okay, upper part of the map is done. You will remember everything, that's my guarantee. Now you go to the lower section. If you zoom in here, okay, see now this is your South Bombay. It is famous as Sobo, right? This section that you see, Nehru Planetarium, Haji Ali, Nehru Science Center, this is a Worli area. Okay, this circle that you see here where there is Jahangir Art Gallery, Taraporwala Aquarium, Kamla Nehru Park, this section is your Queen's Necklace. You must have seen photos of marine lines lit up with the light at night. That portion is called as Queen's Necklace. This section is that area. Okay, and if you have visited Haji Ali, you know that Dargah is in between the waters. So you can see symbol here, Haji Ali Dargah symbol, which is nearly half in the land side, half towards the water side. and those zigzag lines that you have drawn in your map, those zigzag lines represent Bhaikala station. So in Bhaikala, you know that there is a famous Rani Chi Bagh, which we call as Jizamata Udyan. Okay, this is your second section of the tourism map. Now we will try to draw this. I have zoomed in here, or you can say this section is expanded. The bottom section of your map is expanded here. Okay, so first go to the Queen's Necklace near Churchgate station. So here is your Churchgate station. Churchgate station has Jahangir Art Gallery. Okay, middle section of this Queen's Necklace has Taraporwala Aquarium, and starting point of this Queen's Necklace has Kamla Nehru Park. As I told you, these zigzag lines represent Bhaikala station, or you have already drawn Bhaikala station near these zigzag lines. See, near these zigzag lines you have drawn Bhaikala station. So here you will locate Jizamata Udyan. Done. Then this section. Now your Haji Ali Dargah is here. Somewhat in the land, somewhat in the water. Then Nehru Planetarium is here, above Haji Ali, and below Haji Ali, Mahalakshmi Temple. Even the Western Railway Line station Mahalakshmi is also situated here. If you know the station, you will be able to locate the temple. So now if you can see the map, you will see that all the locations you will be able to locate if you divide it in two parts, as we did. Take another blank map and now try to solve it on your own, and try to solve the whole map in one single blank map. Now I'm not going to solve a map here. I can say, now this is a trick to remember. Okay, there are many polluted areas in Mumbai. You can see here area of noise pollution. It is near Sahara Airport. Sahara Airport is near which station? So you all know Santa Cruz station. Now you all know Western Railway Line. You will be able to locate Santa Cruz station on your own, and you will be able to show site of noise pollution. If someone asks you which are the places where there is water pollution, then all the rivers and all the creeks, unfortunately in Mumbai, are now polluted. Where are the dumping grounds? Just remember, or just by heart the names: Govandi, Mankhurd and Ghatkopar. And you know Harbour Railway Line, you know where is Ghatkopar. Places of air pollution: Govandi and Chembur. You all know the locations of these stations now. So if these types of questions will be asked in the examination, you all will be able to solve it without solving this map, because you already know all the locations. Similarly, by heart locations of hills, which is the sinking area, which is flood prone area. Science station is a sinking area and flood prone area. We all experience this in rainy season. No need to by heart anything. You all experience all these things. Where quarrying happens: Pawai, Versova, Worli, Ghatkopar, Vikroli, all these places, you just remember the names of the places, and if someone asks you, you will be able to show it in the map, because you know the stations of Mumbai Railway Line. These are the two maps which are there for your self-study. These maps can be found in the well-known books like Manan publication, Vipul publication, Himalaya publication, or any other well-known publication. They have their map workbooks where they have these solved maps. So you can just go to these workbooks, you can try to practice these maps and solve these maps on your own. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep watching this channel because I am going to make another video on map filling techniques on Kokan map, which is also a part of your curriculum. Like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.